Hi everyone, today I will guide you how to do moon salutation correct way, and we try to do complete two sides left and right to get balance. Step in front of the mat, foot together, try to crease in, zip up, draw in your core, hand go to prayer posture, inhale, hand up, look up, same someone pull you up the ceiling and crease your back, bend back. Exhale, forward fold from here. If you forward fold, you too narrow, you can just put your hand here and straighten your spine. And if you can, drop all the way down, touch your mat. If you feel too much, broadening your back, bend your knee. If you can straighten, it's great. Now step right foot back, look in front, left foot back. Flank, knee down, chest chin down. Inhale, cobra. Try to press and open the chest more, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, inhale, look up in front between your two hands. Exhale, left foot back, forward fold. Head touch the toe. Inhale, hand up, look up. Bend back, crease it in, prayer posture. And now we do the left side to balance it. Inhale, hand up, look up, send someone pull you up the ceiling, crease in your back and bend back. Exhale, forward fold. If you can not touch the floor, it's okay. Little bit bend your knee. And inhale, step left foot back. Exhale, right foot back. Flank, knee down, chest chin down. Inhale, cobra. Open more the chest and draw in the core, look up the ceiling. Exhale, downward facing dog. Try to press it in down, open more the chest. Inhale, step the left foot in front. Exhale. When left foot in front, try don't rest your chest on the knee. Exhale, right foot in front. Forward fold. Inhale, hand up, look up, bend back, prayer posture. Yes, after like this, it completes one round. We try to do it at least 3 rounds in early morning when your stomach empty. And after you do done already, try to lie down on the mat and take some short breath. You can drop your hand, shoulder level, turn your knee left to right, right to left. And straighten your legs, straighten your hand beside your body. That deep inhale, deep exhale. When you inhale, try to raise up the stomach. And when you exhale, try to flatten it. Inhale, raise up the stomach. Exhale, flatten it. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, flatten it. And that totally relax. Focus in your breathing. Bring your tension flow away from your body. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax your toe, relax your foot, your knee, your thigh, your stomach, your chest, the shoulder, your neck, your mouth. Relax your lip, relax your teeth, relax your nose, relax your eyes, relax your eyebrow, relax your forehead, relax your ear, relax your finger, relax your whole body from head to toe. Just focus in your breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now you feel very calm. You feel very heavy and you feel very relaxed. Now with deep inhale, bring your hand over the head, Enjoy the deep stretching here. And exhale, draw it out. Turn the body to the right side with the hands support. Sit back the prayer posture. The eyes still closed. Hand go to prayer posture or can palm up gently. Sit nice and long, drop the shoulder behind. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now bring your palm together, chin to the chest. Namaste everyone. And grab the hand. Bring the hand to your eyes. Make some warm the cup of the warm to the eyes. Some warm to the face, your neck, your shoulder, your chest, and your lower back. Hand to prayer posture, chin to the chest. Namaste everyone. And gently open your eyes. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us to see more videos. We have a lot of videos to help grow skin, help you release the old, how to the tension from the shoulder, low back pain, or else you can improve how to toxic your liver quickly and boost it stronger. Thank you very much.